Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Wu-Tang Mask Man, and I'm gonna get into a tutorial of how I used to make music as a kid with a boombox and another radio. So when I was young, me and my cousin Asia, we had a boombox, and I used to make the beats, and we used to rap on the beats and stuff like that. I used to rap to my beats, and we used to record each other on boomboxes like these. You know what I'm saying? Because these Panasonic back in the day boombox, they got a record and play button on it, right? So one of the things that we had to do was we had to have a tape. It could be any tape, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter what tape it is and stuff, you know what I'm saying? It could be any tape. But if you notice, on the bottom of the tape right here, there's two holes in the bottom. And what you do is you stuff these with tissue. Once you stuff these with tissue, you can dub over this tape right here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it, right? So check it out, right? So, let me run a beat real quick. Hold on, bear with me, right? So I got some tissue right here. I already rewind the tape. I take this tissue, ball it up, stuff it right in the bottom of the hole, right here in the bottom. Cause this is gonna allow us to dub over the tape, you know what I mean? So boom, stuff that in there like that. Boom, it's nice and stuffed in there, feel me? Then we take the tape, we put it in here. We got the radio set to record, and I'm gonna rewind the beat, right? Let's rewind the beat, turn it up a little bit. Let's start the recorder. Now we're dubbing over the tape, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Wu-Tang Mask Man. Yo, hey yo, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, hey yo, you will get shot twice, steaming like hot rice, stay with the Glock pipe, running your block right, eating mad food and I ain't talking my shop right, hit you with 12 rounds and not no box fight, listen you not nice, your felines not nice, ain't match the light bulb and shut off your spotlight, niggas soft like gelatins around my way, the rats and the cockroaches got skeletons. You with the eagles and the elephants. I'm with the Staten Island dump feed, the seagulls and the pelicans. I talk like people with intelligence. Life is science until I stick a needle in your elements. You fucking with a grown man. I'm old school. I body niggas listening to slow jams. Yo, listen up, dog. There's hungry dogs in the game. Fuck what you heard. My money is longer than trains. So boom. You know what I mean? I'm gonna stop the record. Pause the beat. Oh yeah, I collect a lot of boom boxes and stuff like that. This right here, I don't know if you've ever seen this before. This is actually a boom box with a screen on it. So, you know what I mean? I can play my videos on here. You know what I mean? Play music videos. So when I start selling my CDs on the street, I'm gonna have my videos playing. You know what I'm saying? As I sell my shit. But anyway, let's rewind the tape back. Let's turn it up and let's see what we recorded. All right. Yeah. Wu-Tang Mask Man. Yeah. Hey yo. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Hey yo, you will get shot twice, steaming like hot rice, stay with the Glock pipe, running your block right, eating mad food and I ain't talking my shop right, hit you with 12 rounds and not no box fight, listen you not nice, your felines not nice, aim at your light bulb but shut off your spotlight, niggas soft like gelatins around my way, the rats and the cockroaches got skeletons, you with the eagles and the elephants, I'm with the Staten Island dump feed, the seagulls and the pelicans. So there you go. That's how I used to record when I was just a little jit, you know what I'm saying? I'm also gonna release the Wu-Tang Mask Man tapes recorded just like this. So if you're very interested in buying a Wu-Tang Mask Man project on the tape, You know what I'm saying? No effects, no nothing, just straight raw. Something you just pop inside your fucking, your you know what I mean, your car, or your boombox, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be dropping these too, man. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, yo. Word up. Peace. Wu-Tang Mass Man.